Ìbà o ìbà, ìbà Olódùmarè ìbà, ìbà ẹ̀yin tó ní ilé ayé, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ìbà, ìbà gbogbo òrìṣà, ìbà. My name is Ajinla. Today, I want to talk on Sango. Sango. Before I talk on Sango, I want to appreciate Erile, a woman like man who has always shared her experience from the other realm. That is to show that there are people like me, and I'm not the only one on earth. Sango olúkòso ọkọ ya iná lójú iná lẹ́nu, akata yari. Sango ojúbà rẹ o. People actually think that Sango is only powerful in rainy season, which is false. Don't forget that 70 to 80% of the world is composed of water. You as a person, 75% upward of your content is liquid. Don't forget that Sango's father was Agonju. Sango is fire. Without Sango, there will be no instrument. Sango loves to be behind the scene. He doesn't want to be seen as such. His impact is always felt. Sango produce fire for forging iron, an instrument of war, which Ogunlakaye is going to use. When Ogun is going for war, he needed Sango. Why? Because Sango will light the path so that Ogun can see his enemies and foe from far ahead, because Sango will have light the path. Ẹ má fojú di Sango. Sango iná. Many people don't know that the sun is also fire. Sango is fire. I remain Olusegun Ajinla. God bless you. Alright, this is my pet animal. Yeah.